To create an Ontario EOI profile, apply for nomination, appoint a representative, or get updates, you must first create a personal portal. This tutorial is for employees as the main applicants to assign a representative or submit their own profiles and applications. Employers should not create an applicant portal for their employees. To start, Google Ontario ePortal and click the correct result. If the validation checkbox doesn't respond, you can still continue. Create a My Ontario account to access the portal. Check your email for a validation code and enter it to verify your account. If you are a returning user from the old one-key login system, or a new user whose application was started by an employer or authorized representative before activating your portal, you will be redirected here. If your application was initiated with the same email you're using, you should have received a PIN and enrollment ID by email. Just select Authorize using these numbers to complete the registration as prompted. The first time you log in, you might not see this page. Just read what's shown and click Continue. You might also not see this page the first time. On future logins, just confirm your contact details when asked. Select the New Applicant option to create your profile or application. If you already have profiles or applications under Ontario Nominee Program, or if a representative has initiated your EOI on your behalf, you will be redirected to this page to view, appoint, or withdraw them. For active profiles created by your representative, select the radio button next to the file number to see details and confirm their appointment. This step is required for your profile to enter the pool and be considered for invitations. To submit a new application, click the button that takes you to the program list. Here you can also start your profile or application by choosing the right stream. Note that job offer streams need a prerequisite application from your employer through their own portal, while some other streams require an active express entry profile and an Ontario notification of interest first. For the rest, you can directly create your profile. Check out Ontario Immigration playlist on the top right corner to find next steps for each stream.